this video we are going to show you how to add the option menu in our application. In many of the application you can see that here three dot icon is visible, and from clicking on that we are getting the drop down list. Same way we are creating option menu for our application, which has the three functionality, which is a find friend, setting, and the logout. And also we are see how to log out user from the application. So let's start. You can go to the project and then you can go to the resource folder, and here you have to create one other resource directory, which is menu. So right click on the resource and click on the new and create the Android resource directory and give the name as a menus. And here from the drop down list select the menu and click on the OK. Now in menu we have to create one resource file, which is a generate our menu resource file, or we can say that the item list. So give the name it as option menu. Make sure that you give the name in lowercase character. Click on the OK. You can see the menu resource file is created successfully. Here you can add the item by using the item tag. Give the title for the item, which is find friend. You can click filter, enter, and extract the string resource into the string.xml file. Then you have to give the ID for that, which is unique identifier for this item, which is option find friend, and shows action as a never. You can see here item is visible. Now we have to copy this code 2 times, and here we are changing it to the settings. Filter, enter, and extract the string resource, and then here logout. You can see here the option menu is visible. Now we have to add this resource file into the main activity, so that into the main activity this option menu is visible. So for that we can override the method which is called as option menu on create option menu. You have to delete this return statement from here, and at last we are returning the true. And here we are creating the get menu inflator dot inflate, and we are passing the file which is created earlier. So type r.menu, which is the menu folder, and inside the menu we are creating the file option menu. So pass this, and here pass menu, which is this. Now we are overriding another method. This is on option item selected, which is perform action based on the selected menu item. So for that we are simply returning the true, and here we are checking that if item, which is this, so item dot get title. You can use title or you can use item ID. We are using item ID, so item dot item ID here passing null. Equals to r dot id dot option find a friend. Same way we are using this one, else if item dot item id, which is equals to r dot id dot option settings, else if item dot item id, which is equals to r dot id dot option logout. Okay, now we are performing the logout in this block. So for logout, we are first creating the firebase authentication variable, initializing it. So here we are simply calling the method of firebase auth, that is firebase auth dot sign out, and after that we redirect the user to the login activity. So we are already creating the send to login activity method, which simply have intent into this, and it will redirect the user from the main activity to the login activity. So let's call this method here. Okay, now run the application. You can see application is run successful. You can see here the option menu is visible. Whenever you click on there, 3 option items are visible, and whenever you click on the logout, you will be logged out from the application.